My name is Julian and I study mechanical engineering at the University of Applied Sciences in Trier. In my bachelor thesis and in the ELViRA project, I deal with the topic of digital factory planning. We students are independently planning a new center where companies and students can come together to work on research projects or new technologies. Such a project is about creating something big together, so different university departments are involved.
Since the current machinery hall of the University of Applied Sciences Trier no longer meets the current requirements, it has to be replaced. For this reason, a team of students from the fields of architecture, civil engineering and supply engineering designed, dimensioned and equipped the Innovation Center. Since the users were to be included in the planning process, the model was made available to the mechanical engineers.
Technologies such as building information modeling, which helps us to plan and work in different teams, or virtual reality to enter the building without it even existing, contribute a lot to the innovative work on such a project. With the help of VR, we let our future production become real.
We pay attention to the maintenance zones of the machines, the ergonomics of the employees and the efficiency in logistics management.
With simulations, we analyze the movement sequences of the inventory or the movement of the people. We create our own scenarios in order to offer visitors the most realistic experience possible. For the future, we imagine a digital twin of the entire building.
This will help us to test new ideas and approaches in interdisciplinary teams before the actual planning of the Innovation Center.